I'll show you the method to access the hidden Net Internals menu to clear your host cache and reset your socket pools in under a minute. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. To flush an outdated or poisoned DNS cache tucked deep inside Chrome's internal settings. Standard browsing history wipes don't always clear the deep DNS resolver. Here is the direct route. Open Chrome and click on the address bar at the top. Type the following command, chrome//netinternals/DNS and press enter. You'll see a section titled Host Resolver Cache. Simply click the button that says Clear Host Cache. Note that you won't see a successor message, but the cache is instantly cleared. If clearing the DNS didn't work, the socket pools might be holding onto a broken connection. Here is another advanced flushing fix. On the left-hand sidebar of that same page, click on Sockets. Click the button that says Flush Socket Pools. This will momentarily disconnect any active downloads or streaming tabs, so make sure your work is saved before clicking. Once done, restart Chrome to ensure all changes take effect. Between the host cache and the socket flush, you've now reset Chrome's entire networking handshake. If you're still seeing a DNS probe finish to error, you may need to flush your Windows or Mac system DNS as well. If this fixed your loading issues, let me know in the comments. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.